Hello Ron, it's Zurab here at Vos Motors, taking this video especially for you of this beautiful Honda VT1300. I've got your deposit. You know the details. It's 2015 VT1300 with very low mileage on it. 348 miles, it's really low. And the bike is actually loaded with a very nice saddlebags. These are hard bags. There's a little handle just behind the bag here. So you gotta pull it to open the, here we go. Open the saddlebag. These are hard bags and leather wrapped in the same time. So on both sides there is a handle. I don't know if you can see in the video, but yeah, if you, there we go. So it locks it. There we go. Comes with the manual, owner's manual there. Lots of chrome, highway, crash bars, highway, food packs, nice windshield. It's good for touring. Extra additional lights, the running lights. The tires are like brand new here. If you see these little rubbers here. So on this mileage, that's the condition of tires it should have. Chrome exhaust, it's all stock basically, there is no modifications. Flat boards, toe shifter, heel shifter, little cable for the battery charging, and that's pretty much everything. So it is on hold. We got your first payment, and if you have any other questions, please let me know. That's me right here. Thank you for each transfer deposit. That's the VIN number of the motorcycle, which is matching the paperwork I sent you. And that's pretty much everything. Thank you again, Ron.